Okay, I got it. Okay, it's recording. Which one are we trying? Toothpaste? Bro, come on, it's recording.
We should go to Medahans and go slide another day. What's the new plan? Are you ready, guys? This is either blue, berry blue, or toothpaste. Here, I already cut it. Toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
I did bad.
Minty fresh.
You need to day. Minty fresh breath. Booger breath.
Booger breath. Let's try the booger one. I want to try it.
It's gross.
Booger. Wait, I gotta swallow it. Booger.
Or juicy pear. Juicy pear. Juicy pear.
You gotta try another one.
Oh. You bite yourself?
No, I got stuck on my braces.
Baby
Ew, this
wipes.
is disgusting. Okay. I think it's booger.
Ew, it.
It's gross.
Wait, this one.
Which one is that?
Pencil shavings.
Pencil shavings. Like, looks like it too.
Vomit. Ew, that one would make me vomit. I haven't tried it yet.
Ew. It's like pencil.
What do you want it to taste like?
I don't know.
Then maybe. Let's try this one.
We haven't tried the black pepper. It's just a
try-
toothpaste.
Oh my god. See that one.
This is like a booger.
Okay, do this one.
Wait. Okay, black pepper. Hold on.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Ooh! That's disgusting. Ew! Oh my god! Okay. Come on, let's try the moldy cheese. It's so disgusting.
Oh my
This is
god.
the first one I had. Oh, it's moldy cheese. Come on, you gotta try it.
Wait, it's caramel corn. I don't know what it is.
Oh, this is disgusting. That was caramel corn, though. That was caramel corn. Okay.
Oh, I can't look at my tooth.
Ew, it's so disgusting. Look at my tooth.
Are you getting all the flavors?
We have the video going. Okay, we gotta save the rest for Mary.
Okay, wait, we haven't did the black one yet.
Wait, Mom, can you go get Kyle's? I'll trade him some.
I'll later.
I'm gonna vomit one.
Kyle, we just want the vomit one. We just want one vomit.
One vomit.
Yeah, but what if it's not vomit? Peach would be good though.
It's like a dark, it's like a red.
He doesn't want to get it out.
Mom, can... Okay.